Welcome to Mechanical Design App. Please subscribe this channel for mechanical design related, job related, course related and new updated videos. So go to our topic. So today we are just going to assemble these five parts: one, two, three, four, five. The five parts of a knuckle joint. Please watch this video till end. This is the assembled view of the knuckle joint. You can see that. Okay, here I am just going to show you how you can just assemble these five parts and just get it view. Okay, so let's go to our topic and let's make the assembly drawing. As you can see that we have come to this SolidWorks page. Here you have to just go for the assembly design. So when the window has been open, just here you can select this plain white and you have to just change its dimension system. Okay, then you have to go for the here and go for the options. When the option has come, go for the document properties and here you can go to the image quality and make it higher. Okay, just click here. Okay, when you have done all of these, then go for the insert component option. When you have go to the insert component option, here are my five parts. You can see that I have previously designed all of these. Please, you want the tutorial of the design, so comment below, like, share and subscribe this channel. And yeah, at first you have go for the fork portion. Just click here. You can see that the fork portion has been open here and you have then go for the again the insert component option. Then I will want to insert this I portion. You can see that this I portion has been come here. Okay, just click here to rotate, then select this and rotate this. Okay, just click here, just you push it outside. When you have just see that, then you have to go for the mate option. When you have go for the mate option, then select this portion and this portion and make it concentric. Okay, you can just flip-flop this. Okay, this. Okay, no problem, just click here. When you done this concentric, you can see that if you yeah, and see that this can be slided. Okay, then you have to do one thing, that go for the mate option, select this face and select this face, and here you have to just make the coincident. Okay, just click here coincident. When you have just done that, you can see that it can rotate. Okay, it can rotate. Okay, when you have just make it, then go for the again insert component option. Insert component option, you have just make it insert this collar. Okay, and first you have to insert this pin. You can see that I have inserted this pin. Then you have to just go for the mate option, select this tunnel and this, and that is here. When you have just go for this, select this face, go for the mate at first, select this face and this face, make it concentric. Okay, you can see that it came here. Okay, now we have to just go for the insert component again. I go for the browse and then collar and this pin, two portions, just inserted it. There are the two portion. At first you have to just go for the mate option, select this face and this face. Okay, just click here. Then you have to just go for the here mate option and move this face option, just click here. You can see that you have just done it. When you have just done it, just select. Okay, when you have just done it, just you have to do that to mate, you have to just mate this all, the inner hole and the outer hole. Okay, just click here. You have previously done this mate concentric. Just I have to going to delete this. Please watch till end. Now we have to go for the mate this hole, select and select this hole. Okay, when you have select these and how can I do that, just go for the mate option, select this hole and just go select this hole. You can see that you have just made it. When you have just made it, then go for again mate option, select this and this and click here concentric. Okay, when you have just made it concentric, then just push it into this. When you have just making this push it, you can see that the pin has successfully inserted. Okay, now on an average this design has been successfully uh, these designs has been successfully assembled. Now we have to done this limit. Okay, then go for the mate option and go for the advancement option. Okay, then select this portion and this portion. Then you have to just go for this angular portion. When you have just go for this angular portion, just select this, make it 90 degree. Okay, flip. Now this distance became 90 and this distance you have to just make it 157 and make it 90. Just click here. I have just make it one limit that it can't go to up to the 90. Is this how you can simply make the design and assembly of a knuckle joint? Please subscribe my channel, watch till end. Okay, and if you want to how to make animation of this assembly drawing, please watch the video in the description and in the I button. There I have just taught how to make animation of this SolidWorks assembly. So please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you all.